Welcome to Health Organizers, your digestive system specialists. In our Health Bites, we strive to provide you with just enough information to chew on so that you can understand and care for your digestive system, also known as your hole in the middle. Now, in this edition of Health Bite, we will be discussing the stomach. Now, the stomach's role is to further break down food that we've already started eating. In our previous video, you may have remembered that we had started on this apple. We had chewed it thoroughly in the mouth, and then it gets to the stomach. The stomach is actually made all of muscle, 3 different muscles: a horizontal muscle, a longitudinal or vertical muscle, and then a diagonal muscle. And it's basically doing this action here. When they're all moving together, it looks like that. Kind of like a little dance, if you will. And what it's doing is further breaking apart all the different foods that we have eaten. The stomach's role is to produce stomach acid, known as hydrochloric acid, to help break up these foods. So it's very acidic in the stomach. You wouldn't want to put your hand in there, it would get burned off. Okay, it is a very strong acid. And again, stomach acid is required to absorb many different nutrients that we'll learn about in some of the other videos. Now, again, the stomach is a muscle, and so we don't want to work it all day long. Just think if you had to do bicep curls all day long, or if you were on the treadmill, for an example, as another example, in the morning until noon. So it's better to just have certain meal times and then eat at those meal times and give the stomach 3 muscles a chance to rest. Otherwise, we can definitely have problems in digestion later on and elsewhere in the body. That concludes this edition of Health Bite on the stomach. Be sure to look for us on the web, healthorganizers.net. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. I'm Dr. Megan Laban with Health Organizers. And remember, Health Organizers working with you to tidy up your health naturally.